Good morning, children. How's you all? Fit and fine? So, children, now we will start with this IT subject class. So, today we will continue with this MS Word, or we can say digital documentation topic chapter. Now, first we will take one quick recap what we covered in our yesterday's class. In yesterday's class, we discussed about this word processing and its feature. So, what is word processing? Word processing is an application software that we are using for creating any kind of text document on the computer. Okay, few examples are there. This one is your WordPad, for example Notepad, Google Docs, or OpenOffice, and so many are there. Next is, what are the features of this MS Word? What are the features? First one is your autocorrect, and with the help of this MS Word we can change the order of the sentences by clicking on cut, copy, paste commands. Next is, we can change the font size, font style, and font color also. Or we can insert picture also in our document, and with the help of this we can take the printout also of our document. What are the main parts what are the parts of the main window of this MS Word? Title bar, quick access toolbar, these window control button, and tabs, groups, ribbon, status bar, scroll bar, and rulers. Next is what we discussed, that creating a new document, how we can create. For this, click on start, all programs, select MS Office, and from there select MS Word, and then click on blank document. Or if you are having version 10, then click on file tab, or in version 7 office button, then click on new, and then click Ctrl+N. Next topic is how we can open an existing file. For open an existing file, click on file tab or open option. Or when you are clicking on this open option, one window will appear. Then you will select your location. I will show you once. For this, what we have to do, this one is my Word document. For this, click on this office button, and here is open option. Click on this one. When you are clicking on this one, what you have to do, select your file and then click on this open. When you are clicking on this, that particular file will be open. Okay, now what we have discussed, and the shortcut key is Ctrl+O. Next is saving a document. How we can save any document? For this, click on file tab, and in file tab, which button? Save. What is the difference between save and save as? If we are clicking on save, it will do the changes in the same file, and in save as, it will do the changes once at a time. Next is closing any document. Either click on right corner, that red button, this close button, this one. On right corner, this one is your red color button, this one is close button. Or you can click on file tab or office button, close option is available there also. Okay, next is formatting a paragraph. How we can do formatting? What is formatting? Formatting means doing the changes. In changes, what we can do, we can either change the font style of font type, font color, and font bold, italic, underline we can do, or font size we can increase, decrease. Okay, and if we are doing the formatting on any specific character, then this one is known as character formatting. On complete paragraph we are doing, then this one is paragraph formatting. And in this, how we can do, click on home tab, from font group we can do. Or when we are selecting any text, then mini toolbar will appear, from there we will do. Or by using launcher button of the font group, from there we will do. So what is the shortcut key of this bold, italic, underline? For bold, Ctrl+B, italic, Ctrl+I, and underline, Ctrl+U. All these options where it is available? On home tab. In which group? Font group. Okay, so this thing we have discussed in our yesterday's class. After this, next what we discussed, that first topic is creating and applying styles in the document. So what is a style? Style is a predefined combination of font type, font color, and font size of the text that can be applied to the selected text. Ma'am, what does it mean? It meaning is, children, right now we have seen that if we want to do any changes, for this what we have to do? We are clicking on home tab, and from their font group, from there we can do one by one. But I want to do all these changes, and for this I don't want to click on each and every button. For this, I want to click on one single button. Is there any option available? Yes, my dear children, for this stylus option is available. Okay, so how we can do, how we can apply these styles? So we will take one quick look by practical method. Here is our Word document. Open it, and in this Word document I have typed something here. Okay, देखो हमने कुछ टाइप किया हुआ है. Done. If I want to do this editing, first select the text. I am selecting this one, and after selection, what I am doing, either click on home tab. ठीक है, on home tab, either you will do it from here one by one, or in place of this, if you want to click on single button, here is this styles group. You will check so many styles are there. By clicking on one single style, its font also get changed, its color also change, its size also change, its type also change. Okay, I am selecting this one. This one is title wali. This one is good one. Okay, I am selecting this one. Okay, now you will understand what is the function of this style. Style we are using for changing the specific font color, size and type, or we can say it is a predefined combination of font type, font color and font size of text that can be applied to selected text. Children, again you will observe this style. Here you have seen that so many something is written here. One is title, some subtitles, some emphasis, and so many things are written. If you want to check more styles, so for this click on this button. When you are clicking on this more button, here some more styles are available, and something is written over here, title, subtitle and all. Heading 1, heading 2. What does it mean, ma'am? Okay, I will tell. Now our next topic is this, how we can start this style set. For this again click on our PowerPoint. Here style done. Style, how we can apply, done. Next is style set. What is style set? Style set, it allows us to format all the elements of our document at once. Ma'am, all the elements means? All the elements means your title, your heading and your paragraph styles. What does it mean, ma'am? Its meaning is, look, when we are clicking here, here is, this one is our heading, and in your books also you have seen that chapter title is here, title heading is something different. This one is your subheading, any topic name, and this one is your paragraph. If I want to do the changes here in heading only, in title only, so for this I am clicking this style. If I want to do the changes in this subheading only, so for this, these few headings are there now. Click here more and I will select heading 1. If subheading is there in this XYZ, then heading 2. If subheading is there in this that subheading, okay, subheading, for this heading 3. It means if I want to apply something on this paragraph, first select the paragraph and then click here, you will select the style, and from here you will select any style. I am clicking on this one. Done. So it means that if you want to apply these font and all these option, for this what we have to do, we are clicking on this style option. But I want to do the changes in my heading also, in my subheading also, in my text also. So then, ma'am, is there any option that after clicking on that single button, I want to do the updation in all 3? Is it possible? Yes, my dear children. For this, what you have to do? First, you have to select, either selecting or not selecting. So first click here. For this, you have to click on style set. Okay, so what is the difference between style? Style will do the changes in either in heading or in subheading or in paragraph. But I want to do the changes in all 3 by clicking on one single button. For this, style set, how we can do? Click on this home tab. Home tab, which group? Styles group. In this, which one? Click on this change styles option. Click. And here is our option, style set. Click. And here are so many style set. After, when you are selecting any style set, you will check the difference that it will be applicable on all 3. Look, it will do the changes in all three without selecting. Okay, so what is the difference between style and style set? Style we are applying on one single, either heading पे कर लो or text पे कर लो. In any one single, if we want to do changes, then we will click on style. And if we want to do the changes in the entire document, style set is there. How we can do? Home tab. Which group? Styles group. And here is the option change styles. Click on this one and here is the style set. And from here you will select any style set. Are you getting my point? Okay. Now our next topic is, these two we have already discussed in our yesterday's class also. Our today's topic is modifying a style. Ma'am, this style is very good. I like this style. But the color in this style, if in place of this some else color is there, then it will look more beautiful. Means I want to do the modification in style. How we can do? For this, first select the style and then right click and then here is the option modify. Okay, how we can do? First select the style and then right click and here is the option modify. Click. When you are clicking on this modify, you will get one window here, and in this window, whatever modification you want to do, you will do it here. Color पसंद नहीं था ना? I want to do the change in the color, ma'am. Okay, from here you will do. You will select any color from here. Done. Color change is done, and the name of the style is emphasis. Okay. Now you will check that in emphasis color changed. Okay. How we can do the updation, how we can modify the any style. For this, first select the style and then right click and here's option modify. Okay, is there any problem? Now our next topic is creating a style. Ma'am, whatever the styles are present here, I don't like these. I want to create my own style. Do you know how we can create our own style? Yes, my dear children, I will tell you. For this, what you have to do, all the styles option are available on home tab. Which group? Styles group. Now in this styles group, what you have to do, you have to create your own style. For this, click on this launcher button. Click. Children, what we have discussed, that launcher button, whatever the operations are, we can do it from here. From launcher button also we can do. You will check all the headings, all the these styles present here, they all are present here also in this list. है ना? So I want to, ma'am, create my own style. How we can do? For this, click on launcher button of the styles group. When you are clicking on this, here are three options available in this. First option, new style. When you are clicking on this new style and this window will appear, now you can do whatever changes you want to do. I am creating my own style. What is the name of my style is HG. And whatever changes you want to do, style type paragraph पे है, or if you want to int on character, on table, what you want, you can do the changes from here. Style based on any you can select, or you from here you can change the color also. In place of black, which color we will take? This green one. Okay. And from here you can do the changes in the font type. From here you can do the changes. And from here you can select the font size, and from here if you want to do bold, italic, underline. Children, remember the name is HG. Now we are saving it by clicking on this OK button, and when we are saving, now in the list I am checking where is my style. Here it is, HG. Okay, for this, first select the text. Selection done. Click on this style. Now check. Oh wow, ma'am, we understand one more thing, that how we can create our own style. Now you will tell how we can do. For this, click on home tab. Which group? Styles group. Where it is? On launcher button. When you are clicking on this launcher button, one window will appear, and in this list, last first option is there. Here is new style. click here, and here you will see one window will appear. From here you can do whatever the changes or whatever you want in your style, you will place here and then click OK. Are you getting how we can create our own style? By this method. Okay, next topic is creating a style we have done. Next is modify a style by updating it to match the selection. Okay, what does it mean? It meaning is how we can modify a style with this updated selection. Children, look, ma'am, this content is very good. Okay, I like this color also, and I like this size also. I want to modify this style. This style I am not liking. I want to modify this style. Whatever the features this text is having, I want to apply these features on this text also, on this style also. Okay, means already inbuilt style hai. I want to do the changes in that style. How we can do, ma'am? First select the text and then go there where? Home tab. Which group? Styles group. Select the style which you want to modify. Right click, or sorry we can say update. Okay. Update subtitle to match selection. It means whatever styles are here, whatever the features this is having, means font color, font size, font type, automatically done in that style. Okay, click on this update subtitle to match selection. Look. Oh wow, ma'am, we learned one more thing. How we can update any inbuilt style. For this, what you have to do, first select that style that you want to apply. Selection done. ये style मुझे apply करना है on this style. This color is not okay. This font size is not okay. But I don't have time to create new style of my according to me. This style is the perfect one. I want this one. How we can do, ma'am? For this, first select the style and then right click and then update strong to match selection. Click. You will check whatever the style is applicable here is automatically done the changes in this one. Done? Oh wow, ma'am, we learned one more thing. Next topic, loading a style from template or another document. What is template? Template are inbuilt. Okay, inbuilt feature that you can use in your document. Okay, inbuilt these styles that we want to apply in one more document, or we can say we can copy styles from one Word document to another. Oh ma'am, this thing is also possible. How? So let's have a look how we can apply. For this, click on Home tab. Where which group? Styles group, and their dialog launcher box, and then click on Manage Styles button and then click Import Export. Oh ma'am, we want to do it in practical. Please. Okay, now let's have a look. On which tab? Home tab. Which group? Styles group, and then click on this launcher button. When you are clicking on launcher button, again this window will appear, and here is this third option. This one is Manage Styles. When you are clicking on this Manage Style, this window will appear, and here is this Import Export option here. When you are clicking on this Import Export option, this window will appear here in your new Word document. What are the styles present here? Okay, styles available in this document. Here is new Word document. So you will check the name. What is the name there? New Microsoft Office Word document. So here, what are the styles present here? Okay, and this one is your template. Which style you want in your template? You will select whatever you want. If you select more than one, then use Control key. With the help of Control key, you will select one more. Or if you want to select more than one, then click on Control key. Done. I am clicking on this book title and then click on this copy, and this look, it is available there. And what is the name of this template is normal.m. Okay, and this one is a global template, means available everywhere. So click on this close file. Done. Now again click on this close button is changed into open file button. Again click on this open file button. When you are clicking on this, what is the name of that? Normal.m. So click on this one and then click on this open. हो गया? This one is your in normal.m. These styles are available, and if you want to copy it from there, here you will do, and then click on this close. Okay, it means by this we are sharing the file, or we can sharing the styles in the template. Ma'am, please repeat it one more time. I don't understand. For this, again I am repeating. For this, what you have to do, click on Home tab, click on this Styles group and this Launcher button. When you are clicking on this, here is Manage Styles option. Click on this one. When you are clicking on this window will appear, and from here you will click on this Import Export. Okay, click here and then this window will appear, Organizer window. From here all the styles that is present in your document, and this one is your template name is normal.m. You will select any style that you want as template, so you will copy that one. Okay, I am creating one new style here now. What is the name of that style? This one, style 3434. Select this one. By this style na, this one is really awesome. Ma'am, I want to place it as template. Okay, so that it is available every time in every document. I am selecting this and then click on copy. Okay, overwrite yes to all. Okay, done. What is the name of that? Here is style 3434. Now this one is my act as a template. Means this one is available in every document. Oh ma'am, very good. Now close this file. I am closing. Okay, if you want to open any document, now we are not having any document now, open file, and then you will select which that you want, that template. I am clicking this one, normal.m में जितनी भी styles हैं, I want that one. Open. Done. All the styles that is available in this one, you can take it from here. Okay, and then click on close. So in this manner we are creating template of our style. So children, this thing we have done. Our next topic is our session number 2, inserting and using images in the document. So children, from this topic we will discuss in our next class. So till this, do revision, and from this top video you will check it either 2 times or 3 times, so that you can learn each and everything. Okay, so from my side this session number 1 is completed. Do revision, and thank you so much. Thank you for listening me.